This 2017 GMC Terrain Denali comes equipped with all-wheel drive, a backup camera, lane departure warning, heated front seats and more. Come see us at Laird Wheaton GM in Nanaimo for all your vehicle needs. This GMC Terrain boasts a gas V6 3.6L/217 engine powering this automatic transmission. Engine, 3.6 liters V6 SIDI, spark ignition direct injection, with VVT, variable valve timing 301 horsepower, 224.4 kilowatts, at 6,500 revolutions per minute, 272 pounds to foot, 367.2 Nm. At 4,800 revolutions per minute, remote keyless entry, white frost tricoat. This GMC Terrain features the following options: wheels, 4x19x7.0, 48.3 cm x 17.8 cm, Denali specific, transmission, 6-speed automatic, STD, jet black, perforated leather appointed W/Denali logo, engine block heater. Denali preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, audio system, color touch navigation with IntelliLink, AM/FM Sirius XM stereo with MP3 playback, 7 diagonal touchscreen display, GPS navigation system, USB port, radio data system, RDS, auxiliary input jack and outside temperature indicator. STD, includes IntelliLink, wipers, front intermittent with washers, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windows, powered with driver and front passenger express down, wheels, 4x18x7.0, 45.7 cm by 17.8 cm, Denali specific, included with, LEA 2.4 liters OHC 4-cylinder CD engine only. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to claim your GMC Terrain.